Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete everything on MacBook Pro or Air. Let's get started. Make sure that you back up your files first. Before erasing your Mac, make sure to back up any important files that you want to keep. And once you reset, everything will be permanently deleted. First, open the System Settings and click the Apple menu on the top left corner and select System Settings. Here, in the sidebar, select General and scroll down and select Transfer or Reset. Click Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your administrator password when prompted and review the list of items that will be erased like apps, data, settings, and more. Click Continue to start the process, and your Mac will restart and begin erasing all data, returning it to factory settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.